Think about a metal building when considering your project, be it a garage, church, office building, hangar, barn, manufacturing facility, or any building. When built with metal, reconfiguring the floor plan may be done quickly thanks to the column-free interior that has no load-bearing walls or columns. Metal buildings might be pre-welded, pre-drilled, and pre-punched at the factory prior to being transferred to the building site, permitting for fast, organized assembly. A metal building system provides considerable cost savings in construction costs, even up to half the expenses, enabling the cash conserved to be invested somewhere else. Some insurance service providers provide building owners special discounts for structures that are framed with metal because the product is highly durable and ignitable versus severe, possibly damaging weather. Metal buildings have a higher resistance to weather elements compared to traditional buildings. Whatever the climate in your area, metal garages show active safety against rain, storm, or any other impact of weather. If you want your structure to last, it is necessary to use a high-quality building system. The exterior can be fitted with ornamental brick, wood, stucco, glass, or aggregate panels to fit the look of your company. Your building not need be an unsightly metal box that is nice or compared, instead it's an appealing building and welcome landmark for years to come. If building a brand new manufacturing center, office building, warehouse, or similar commercial structure, you'll want it to have as much quality as possible. That requirement of quality can be guaranteed when you build your new facility with metal. All the previously mentioned factors make the financial investment in a metal structure worth every cent. Your home or business is too important to jeopardize on a cheap structure that will have issues in just a couple of years. Having a commercial facility with little to no upkeep issues can offer you peace of mind that business will not be disrupted by problems related to your building. Select the very best that will last, and you will not regret the decision. Choosing a metal, steel building has long-term and short-term benefits that other building materials do not offer. Call us to find out if a steel building is right for your project. Orlando Steel Enterprises. http://orlandosteel.com 855-999-1673